I'm back with another amazing crock pot recipe. These are awesome. I love these because today is a busy day. My shelves are going in my pantry. I'm so excited. Okay, so we're going to start out with this. This is for a roast beef. For a roast, and a beef roast. And we are going to... Oh, Lord have mercy. I dropped that down on the floor. Okay. Put that by my sink. Anyway, we're going to start with 1/3 cup. You're definitely going to want to measure this stuff. 1/3 cup of soy sauce. And put that right on the bottom of your crock pot. Okay? And to that, we're going to put 1 package. Simple, friends. This is simple and it's wonderful. 1 package of onion soup mix in with that. Okay? I'm not going to mix it enough. I'm just going to leave it. Okay. And then, on top of that, I'm going to put my big 3-pound roast. Now, I know that's 3 pounds. I weighed it with my scale. I love that thing. Anyway, okay, so we got that. And now we're going to add, let's see, that comes out. I want a good handful of pepper. You're going to add about a good, I want to say, good teaspoon. You know, a hefty teaspoon of pepper. I'm not going to put any salt in it because the soy sauce is salty and so is the onion soup mix. Okay, now with that, I'm just going to cut my little potatoes in half. And I know this seems like an awful lot for just my husband and I, but you know what? I'm going to do a video and I'm going to show you how I turn this into wonderfully canned beef stew for my pantry with the leftovers. So my video will be canning leftovers. So I want extra potatoes in here. So I want lots of potatoes in our beef stew. Okay? Goes on there. Alright. Seems like a lot. Now I don't have onions in there because of course, you know, you can put onions in there. By all means, do it. Because I can't, because my husband's got to be careful with onions. So then I'm just going to take beef broth. And I'm going to load it right up here. One quart's going to do because I want just the very tip top of this roast showing. So I want most of it covered. Okay? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the slow cooker sleeve, which I got over on my other counter. I don't have much room here because my jars are still all out from yesterday because my shelves are going in. Anyway, I'm going to put this in the slow cooker sleeve and I'm going to turn it on. It's going to cook on high for, probably I will cook it on high because it's frozen, for about 6 to 8 hours. And I'm just going to leave it go all day, and this is going to be absolutely wonderful tonight. And I'll make a nice gravy out of that juice, and it'll be wonderful. And then the leftovers will be another video for beef stew. So, there you have it. It's really easy, and when it's done, I'll show you exactly how it turns out. Okay, friends, my roast is done. And I'm going to get some set up for Mr. Wayna, Papa John. He's going to love this. There's a few potatoes for him. And look at this, just literally falls apart. Now here's a trick. Scissors. This is what I use my kitchen scissors for. I almost don't even need my kitchen scissors. No, I don't really. But I usually cut meat up with the scissors. Oh, look at that big old chunk. He won't eat all that. So we'll cut some of that off there. It's just kind of falling apart. This is wonderful. He's going to love that. And I'll mash his potatoes up. This turned out fantastic. See that? I'll mash his potatoes up and put a little bit of butter, and then I'll put a little bit of juice on there because he's not too fond of gravy. Anyway, but that turned out fantastic. And I can't wait to taste that combination of the soy sauce and the onion soup mix in there. it's going to be good. So there you have it. Another really easy meal in the crock pot. Put it all in there and let it do its job. Thanks for watching.